G'day guys, thanks for checking in. On today's video I'm going to show you all how I'm going to basically hide away and tuck away all of my wiring adapters for my, that's my dash cam on the left, my phone charger on the right. It has always looked annoying to me seeing the wire running along and barely that charger cable is long enough to charge my phone whilst mounted on my magnet holder here. So what I'll be looking at today was basically using, and this is a spare barrel that I got from a junkyard ages ago, a spare cigarette lighter barrel. So what I'll be looking at doing, let's just get some of this wiring out the way. There we go. So that's that one, and what I've done initially was I'd used this adapter as an extension. So this one plugged into the factory plug and then gave me two extras that I could use. Now what I'll be looking at doing, let's just pop that all aside for now, is opening all of the trim pieces to get access to the back of this cigarette lighter barrel, disconnecting the wiring from the back, and then actually reconnecting that wiring to this barrel, so then I can tuck this barrel underneath the dash out of sight. Then that'll let me plug in my extra adapters out of sight, and it's going to look a lot cleaner. So I'll just show you all the process involved. Again, it's not really very much involved. Just get a spare barrel, and that should only be a couple dollars from a junkyard, and let's get to it. Okay guys, so we're going to start off by lifting up this shifter surround trim, and it just lifts up and out. Always one-handed, a little tricky, but let's get to it. There we go. Show up your fingers and carefully remove that one. Very good. Now there's two screws, one screw here and another screw there, which will then allow these side trim pieces to get removed. So let's grab our screwdriver, chuck that there, remove the screw, and we'll also go loosen the other one. Very good, very nice. Let's go and grab these screws and pop them aside. Very good. So now that's as simple as that. These trim pieces come out, and this is the last one there. Very good. Perfect. Now there's just two screws here and here that allow this top bin to come out and give us access to that wiring that we want at the back. So one screw at the top here, and then the other screw over here. These screws, and also pop them aside. Beautiful. And now that's given us the access to slide out this bin area here, which gives us the access to the wiring for the back of the cigarette lighter. So guys, once you've disconnected your wiring plug from the back of your factory cigarette lighter barrel, you can just pop that bin aside for now. Now you can just go through and connect the spare cigarette lighter barrel to the factory wiring plug here. There we go. So I'm just going to go and tape up all of the exposed part of the barrel. We've gone and wrapped up and insulated our socket. The next step is to go through and pop our extension adapter under the dash and get it poking out under this part of the center console here. So I'll just rejoin you guys once I've poked this through. We can then connect it here and then start tucking all of this underneath the dash in an area like that, and we can plug our adapters in. Okay guys, and we managed to get our adapter male extension through, and where I found was that I could tuck this from under the dash here, and you'll be able to see that light opening through the dash there. So, and that's the foot. But basically, yeah, I was able to go through, pop this cigarette lighter up through here, get it all the way out, and now that we've got it through, we can just go simply angle for you guys. And now we can go through and tuck all of this back behind the dash, out the way. Just feed things through. Beautiful. And as simple as that. So we've now got that out the way. we can go through, tuck some of this excess cable back in this side trim piece here, out the way again. Very good. And that's it. We can go and put our bin piece back like that. And then it's as simple as going through. I'd already earlier taken my dash cam charger from the side here, poked it through under the dash. I brought it along there so we can plug this in like so, and then we can go and grab our phone charger adapter and plug that in as well. And now we can go and tuck this underneath, get it out the way, tuck all the cables out the way like that. We can make that a little cleaner soon. But now, once we've plugged in our phone charger adapter so that I don't have the cable dangling out the way there, I'm going to go around over the left side of the steering column. Beautiful. So that way the cable's not going to hit our feet. And how much cleaner is that, guys? Very, very good. You can just go through, put our screws back in here, then put the side trim pieces back on as well. And that's excellent. All our wires are out the way. I might end up just tucking this completely underneath the dash like that, and making sure that the cable won't fall down. But otherwise, very good, nice and clean. I'll just show you all, the trim pieces go back on the same way that they came out. We can go through, pop the trim. I find it easiest is always to clip the top like that, like that, get it down, then you can put your screw down here, get the other trim piece, pop that up here like that. Very good. And then as simply we can pop that center console shifter surround part that just clicks down like that. Beautiful. Now guys, how much cleaner is all that? We don't have our charger adapter wiring anymore in the view. My phone charger cable again tucked aside for the dash cam. We've got the wire tucked underneath the glove box, pushed that through from behind the center console to that adapter back there. So a very nice and easy kind of a mod, and should make it nice and clean. What you could do, guys, if you still wanted access to your original fuse, your original cigarette lighter here, you can go through and extend the wiring so it's connected not only at the terminals here but also to the terminals of your other cigarette lighter adapter there. And let's just go test that it's all working. So we'll pop our key in the ignition, turn it to the accessories, and we've got our lighting here, and I've also got the charging there. Excellent, guys, beautiful. How good is that? I hope this video helps, guys. If it does, let me know. As always, we've got to flick something for luck. So today, let's flick the old cigarette lighter barrel for luck. Nice. Excellent, guys. As always, let me know if this video helped. With just a couple minutes word fart. Rewind that. With just a few minutes of your time, you're able to go through and basically get all of your wiring, all of your cigarette lighter chargers and things tucked under the dash. No tools really necessary. Beautiful, guys. Thanks again, and catch you guys at the next video.